Hello, friends at OLLI. This is Bob Lyons, and I am looking forward to next March, St. Paddy's Week, to meeting up face to face with some of my OLLI friends and new friends. I will be showing a wonderful new PBS TV film called I Am Ireland, where Paddy Homan, originally of Cork, now Chicago, performs the songs and stories of the people to tell the history of Ireland from 1798 to the rising of 1916. He was filmed at Old St. Pat's Church in Chicago with 3 Irish traditional musicians and joined virtually by the City Lights Orchestra of Chicago with Rick Daniels. After I present the film, I will then play a recorded Zoom conversation with Paddy on the making of I Am Ireland. I will begin with a mini introduction on the history of singing the history of Ireland. George Bernard Shaw wrote of his homeland, "There is no magic like that of Ireland. There are no skies like Irish skies. There is no air like Irish air. And the Irish climate will make the stiffest and slowest mind flexible for life." But I would add, there are no sounds like the sounds of an Irish singer singing the songs that were setting the people's hearts on fire. And I look forward to showing it to you next March. Be well and be safe. Bye.
We here at OLLI are very excited to offer our Spring 2022 session with a mix of in-person and remote courses and workshops. Registration for spring opens the morning of February 9th at midnight. If you have any questions about this class or want help with registration, please give us a call at 207-780-4406 or email us at olliatusm@maine.edu. We hope to see you this spring.